This introductory video is all about the creating the file with regard to SPSS. When you go to the SPSS icon, when you click that, these are all the basic things that you have to think about it. There are two menus. One is variable view, other one is data view. The step one is to fill the variable view. So there are different column headers in that. Under each column header, we have to type and fill. That is, we have to make the data to be easily understandable, and it should be presented in a nicer fashion with coding so that we can make through with the analysis. So under name, you have to either you can give the name in a shorter pattern, or the word that you want to explore in the output that you can present, or any sort of coding that you can do it. As per my point of view, it is better to have the demographic code D1, where always we are going to measure 99%, we are going to deal with the numeric variable. So it is numeric here. Width is, you keep it as default one. Decimal point, if you want to have, if your variable is continuous, then you have your decimal point if it has the integer. If it is a whole number, no need to have this decimal point, so make it as 0. See, according to this particular question, this speaks about the gender. So I am typing under label gender. The point under name is you are giving variable, that is the variable code under name. This field called as a name is very case sensitive. If you repeat the name, it will not make you to do it. For example, again, if I'm typing D1, system will not permit me to go about it. Immediately it will show the error, duplicate variable or existing variable. It has the same name. So it will not permit us to use the same variable name. Even if you try to commit mistake, it will not permit. And in case of say this variable name, if you give any space and do it, it will show that as illegal. It will not permit. So it is very case sensitive. And the next one is, if your question is with the option, say for gender, 0 stands for male and 1 stands for female. So here I'm pressing 1 for female. So I can type here and make it out. I'm adding here. So I'm assigning here. What we are doing here under values is generally we are giving numeric codes for the option. Even if it is option of categorical, we are giving numeric codes. When your questionnaire or when your question in your questionnaire has the options, it is mandatory for us to assign values here. If your question is open, that does not have any sort of option, no need to give values here. Values are generally fixing up the numeric codes. So here, this is the variable code that you are making under name. Label, you are giving the name. Here the numeric code that you are making under values. System missing values, there are several treatments under SPSS. So we can treat it later. There are 4-5 options, minimum 4-5 options are there to treat. So case based, we have to treat the missing value. Generally, will permissible amount is 10%. We could able to manage with the missing value as per the rule of thumb. And the column, it's a width of column that it measures. Alignment is left or right that it deals. Main aspect under SPSS is to check your measure. It depends upon the question that you post and option that you have. This question is gender. So you have a categorical variable. This variable is a categorical variable where your options are male, female. So between male and female, there are so many options. So it is not orderly. Scale is generally when your options are numbers. If it is a numerical variable, you have to take this as scale. Even if it is continuous or discrete, whatever it may be, if your variable is numerical or quantitative, you have to choose scale. If your variable is categorical or qualitative, you have to choose between ordinal or nominal. Ordinal is orderly, while nominal is half a sort. Ordinal is generally the Likert scale. Strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree, so on. So this is ordinal scale, generally lower management, middle management, higher management, or top management. These are all perfect order. If you could able to order your options logically, then you have to choose ordinal. Here only male and female has been given. There are so many options between male and female, so it does not form any order or rank. So I'm choosing nominal here. So this is the logic of typing your variable name. First you have to fix up the variable view, then we have to go to data view. Next one is D2, second one. Let me go by one uh, called as a numerical variable. So I'm choosing age here. I have given some options in my questionnaire. Say one stands with the age group of 18 to 21. Add. Second stands for 22 to 30. Likewise, so here two options I have given, some survey regarding the youth. So I have posed like that. So here missing value as usual, keeping every field default, and I'm going to the measure here. So obviously our questions are the output stands there is numerical, so you have to choose scale. So this is the case of creating the SPSS file. Thank you.